Hey, thanks for checking out the channel. Just a quick video for you to make you aware of our new Airbnb Plein Air Adventure experience available to you out here in the Pocono Mountains. Whether you're somebody who's an experienced plein air painter and you're just looking for a trusted guide to work with you as you explore the great Pocono Mountain region landscape, or if you're a complete beginner looking to paint your first plein air painting ever, or if you're somewhere in between, this could be a great workshop for you. As part of the program, we do offer additional support to beginners, which will include a plein air painting kit, much like the handheld kit that I'm holding right now as I start this painting. During this video, we'll incorporate some brief clips like this one featuring my painting session at Smithfield Beach in the Delaware Water Gap Recreation Area here in the eastern part of the Poconos. So you can actually see how the beginner kit works while in use in the field. I wanted to take just a few moments just to point out a couple of details about my Plein Air Adventure workshop, which is available for visitors who come out to the Pocono region. This is being made available through Airbnb Experience, and you could find information about this experience in the links provided in the video notes. During our time together, if you were to join me on a plein air adventure, we would visit a Pocono mountain related scene and spend some time together exploring and painting. And we'll follow a lot of the information and guidance provided in my book called The Field Guide to Outdoor Painting in the Pocono Mountains, which is available both in hard copy, paperback edition, like the one I'm showing you here, and also on Kindle on Amazon. So there's a lot of helpful information in there. Feel free to check that out. But in the meantime, we do get questions from time to time amongst folks that we host on these plein air adventures. Folks who have a lot of experience painting, a lot of experience painting on plein air have joined me for the benefits associated with working one on one with a host who's familiar with the local Pocono landscape. But quite often, there are beginners who will say, I don't have any gear, and can you help me? And we, in fact, will do so. We will provide you with a what I call a beginner plein air kit. We'll provide a bunch of your required gear within a nice convenient package for you. And in the remainder of this video, we're going to go through some of those details. So I just want to give you a quick overview of the equipment that we'll provide for individuals that join us out in the field with our beginner-oriented plein air painting workshop. We've created a kit that makes it nice and easy to get started, which includes this pencil tin and a 4x6-inch canvas board that's affixed with a magnetic sheet that's cut to size. And this will stick to any metal object, including your refrigerator or filing cabinets, but it does an especially nice job within this tin setup to keep your canvas steady if it's windy, if you're on shaky ground or a dock or what have you, or if you're just traveling through the woods. It keeps it nice and secure. And when you're done with your painting, you can put it in the deeper part of this tray, which normally would serve, as you'll see throughout this video, as the area with which we'll use for our palette. You can put your finished painting in there, shut your tin, and put it in your bag or your pocket, and it'll be pretty secure, pretty protected. So if you're on a long hike or a long car ride with a lot of luggage, you don't need to worry about your painting being damaged. So you get to head on home with a nice souvenir if you come out here to the Poconos and paint with me. Here's what the kit will look like. I'll pull this into view. You have a nice little bag. We do have a little bit of branding there. We're working on refining that. You get your little water bottle. You'll have a sheet of shop towel, which we'll use for two purposes: to line the palette within your handheld easel, and also it's a nice thing to have so you can wipe off your brushes. We'll provide you with your own tin, with your own magnetic 4x6 canvas, and in addition to that, we'll give you this inexpensive set of brushes. So if you happen to be on the go and last minute make plans to come out and paint with me, that's not a problem. We can equip you with this very basic set and you'll be on your way. If you're a beginner and you're a little intimidated by the wide array of wonderful equipment that's available, I mean, you could spend a small fortune acquiring equipment, and nearly all of it is excellent. If you take the time to shop for it, you'll find some really great plein air equipment that'll meet just about any need that you have in mind. But if you're a beginner, sometimes learning to paint on plein air, outdoors in nature, is the appropriate first step before you make those big investments. And this is a nice way to get that experience under your belt, learn a little bit about your preferences, which we can discuss while we're out on the trail painting together if you're interested. But I'll provide this for you to help you get started.